Hi guys. I kind of just want to talk about the film photos that I took last year. Mainly because I miss taking photos. I think to add to the long list of things the pandemic has taken away from me is the opportunity to like go out and like hang with my friends and like take photos of our hangouts. So this is kind of like me trying to bring that feeling back by like talking about the photos that I took with them last year. Yeah. This is my camera, by the way. It's a Minolta Date 110 zoom. It's just a standard point and shoot. I got it for like 3K from a Facebook group. So this is a photo of my blockmates and I drinking out of a fishbowl in Lanquai. This is like one of those small life moments that you don't really pay a lot of attention to as they're happening. But when you take a photo of it and you look back, you really get transported back to the moment very vividly. And this photo just reminds me of like drinking in college, and I have really fond feelings towards this photo just because it encaptures so much. Oh, I miss Lanquai so much. Okay, so I really like this photo. It's basically just a selfie that I took in the middle of getting a facial. You know, I have this thing when taking photos that I really want them to be as personal, as raw, as candid as possible because I really want people to get like a personal look into my life. And it doesn't get more personal than this. Actually, there was also another tita in the room when I was getting this facial, so like she saw me take out my film camera, point it at myself, and like take a flash photo. I'm pretty sure like the flash ruined the calm vibe for her. But you know what? Thank you, Tita, for tolerating that moment of discomfort because now I have this super cool photo of myself. This next photo is a portrait of my mom in SNR. My mom actually really doesn't like having her photos taken, but I am someone who loves taking photos of people I love. So it's kind of like a constant battle between us over me wanting to take photos of her and her not wanting to be photographed. But yeah, I really like this photo because it's like kind of my first real portrait of her. So this is another photo of my mom in SNR. Okay, I like this photo compositionally because it's very pretty to have a wall of greens in the back and then my mom in the front. But I do admit that I maybe could have like conducted this photo a little bit more gently because basically what was happening was that my mom was looking at the prices of the lettuce behind her. And then like I suddenly called her. I was like, "Mom, mom, mom," like super urgently. Of course, because I had an urgent tone, like she turned around really surprised also. So that's like why she has this shocked expression on her face. And it gives the photo a less pleasant vibe. So I do admit that I could have called her a bit more gently. Okay, so this photo was taken in Janico's car in the parking lot of Saintsco. This was right after we picked up our high school yearbooks. What I like about this photo is how there are so many like objects and elements. So you can see like a yearbook in the corner, you can see like Heartbeat by BTS playing on the radio, and then you can see Janico taking an Instagram video. Like I like these kinds of photos because like there's a story behind it. Like it was really taken after a significant moment. This is a photo of Danya feeding Quincy a donut on Julian's couch. And I really like taking photos like this because I realize that it's small, candid, random photos that represent my life the most honestly and the most realistically. I'm not really a fan of post and stage photos, as in where you tell people you're gonna take a photo of them and then say 3, 2, 1, smile, cause it's staged na. There's a feeling and there's a vibe that's forced. While as if you just take random candids like this, it really does capture your life super honestly. And you can definitely get that candid vibe off of this next photo because it's just Danya and Quincy talking and laughing. I like Danya's smile here because it's very like genuine and it's very real because she was literally like mid-sentence talking to Quincy and she was laughing while she was talking. So that's pretty much as real as a smile could get. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you'd like to see all of my film photos, I actually have a whole account dedicated to it. I actually created this account last year, but I never posted anything or told anyone about it because I always thought that people were gonna be like, oh, it's like another film account, like everybody does that. But you know what? I really like my film photos and I work very hard on them. I'm very intentional with the kind of photos that I want to take, and I have a very specific vibe that I want to capture. I think I deserve to put them online and show them off to the public because they're genuinely photos I'm proud of. Thanks for hanging around and bye.